Alright, so what I have in front of me here is a crazy looking network with two power supplies, a capacitor, a Zener diode, and a bunch of resistors and loops and test points and craziness all over the place. Now, this circuit is one of my favorites, not because I like to cause pain and suffering, but it provides an opportunity for, basically if you've worked on several different network theorems, you've got Kirchhoff analysis, you're kind of practicing those things, you've learned about diodes, you've learned about resistors, you've learned about capacitors a little bit, and how they work in DC. So this circuit provides an opportunity to just get some practice, really, mixing and matching some different network theorems and analysis techniques and methods, and basically solving this circuit in several different steps and methods and keeping track of everything. So it tends to be a little bit daunting when you look at it and try to figure out what this thing's going to do. But I think once you realize that you do know how to solve this thing, or you do have the tools available to you to get through it and solve it and prove that it's right, and then even go build it if you wanted to. I think that when my students initially, when they look at this, they're kind of overwhelmed. But once they get through it and they realize that they actually do have the knowledge to get through this, I think it's kind of empowering. And so in the beginning of the journey learning electronics, just working with DC, I think we tend to feel like we're just beginners. But once you start, you look back and you see how far you've come, and you're able to solve some fairly complex networks with some fairly simple and reliable tools. It's kind of a cool feeling. So I wanted to go through this and create this video just to kind of provide supplement to my classes, and hopefully get anyone unstuck that's looking at this circuit and just kind of not even sure where to start. So all that being said, let's get right to it.